We are going to see how we can install Elasticsearch and start in Mac OS. So I am going to use the Homebrew to install the Elasticsearch. Mm, so you just need to use this command. The first command would be brew tab Elasticsearch tab, elastic tab. So, and the next command what you need to use is this one. So it's going to install the latest Elasticsearch. And so I already have installed the Elasticsearch, so it's showing already installed, but ideally you could use this command. And at the end what you need to do, you need to run this, so it will going to start the Elasticsearch. Now from here we can just type localhost 9200 countries. So it's still starting. So now my Elasticsearch is installed and it's up and running. If you want to see the node and another detail in browser, you can directly use the nodes. So in next video I am going to tell you about the all basic Elasticsearch API. So by using the Elasticsearch API we are able to create the index, we are able to get the index, we are able to perform search and etc, all the useful CRUD API in Elasticsearch. So thank you for watching this video.